Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the GeoMedia cable with an old television. This process allows you to enjoy content on your classic TV set. First, ensure you have your GeoMedia cable and your Geo device ready. We will walk through identifying the correct ports on your television and connecting the cable step by step. It's a straightforward process that brings modern entertainment to your vintage screen. Before connecting, carefully examine the back or side of your old television for the input ports. You are looking for 3 circular ports, usually grouped together. The yellow port is for video, while the red and white ports handle the stereo audio. Make sure your GeoMedia cable has these 3 corresponding colored connectors on one end to ensure compatibility. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take the yellow connector from your GeoMedia cable and firmly insert it into the yellow video input on your television. Next, connect the red audio connector to the red port and the white audio connector to the white port. Finally, plug the other end of the GeoMedia cable into the designated port on your Geo set-top box, ensuring a snug fit. With all connections made, it's time to power everything on. First, turn on your old television and use your remote to select the correct AV input, often labeled AV1 or Video 1. Then, power on your Geo set-top box. You should soon see the Geo interface appear on your screen. If not, double-check every connection and your television's input selection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.